Hello friends, up last time in the last lecture we created our plan up to this level. So I have already done for the bathrooms. Now we will move to kitchen and we will try to draw something for the kitchen and furniture layout also. So windows and doors, everything has been placed. This will be the terrace, and this one will come to the first floor showing also. This one will go. This design will go up to the roof. Okay. So next we need to put the kitchen equipment over here. So this is our kitchen. We already make the shelves and cabinets over here. So we have to download and this things from internet. So we go to CAD block. So we go to kitchen and CAD blocks for kitchen. So I take this one. You can see sinks and oven, everything is here. So I will download this one. Download it. We will open it up. And from here I need this sink. It's a big kitchen, so I will take a double sink. And we need an oven. So oven we can take not oven, the cooking gauge. We can take as this one. So these are the mainly two things which we utilize over there. So I will copy it and we come to this plan and paste it here. So I paste it here. Let's scale it out. Check the size. It's 5 feet 10 inches. I need 2 feet, so 2 feet divided by 70, so 24 divided by 70, it's 0.34. So I select both, scale option, select the point, so 0.342855. So you can see it's become 2 feet. I will take them close to each other and we move them. Move in the kitchen. Okay. First I will rotate it. And I move it to here. Cooking gauge, we have to mirror it. Move. I will take it from here and we can put it here. Move it outside the center. So here the cooking gauge, here the cabinets, everything, upper and lower cabinet. And I will see maybe I have fridge over here. Fridge, yes. So fridge is there. I will take Control C and we go to Control V here. First of all, I will rotate it like this, then I will scale it. First I have to check its size. It should be 2 feet in the width, the length. It's double, it's 4 feet 11 inches. So same scale we will give it 0.342855. I will move it from here to our designated location near the window. So glass will be here from here. You can see our kitchen is ready, everything is ready. Okay, so we will leave this one. We'll copy this two plans and okay, yes, we can draw our entrance also. So I take offset of 12 feet here to here. 12 feet is more than enough. First draw the door here better, then we can make it properly. So here I will make a column of 12 by 12. So first I will have to change my layer. Okay, then door will be at least 10 feet wide, so I will copy it from here to this side in 11 feet. So better I take it to this edge by 12 feet, a big door. So trim. Okay, this I can delete it. Now I will take copy this line. I take from the out corner and put it here, then extend it up to this line, then I use trim command and I will remove all these lines. Okay, so this will be my porch, and I can take a line over here to here, offset of 24 to give a passage on the sides. It's not good to touch it. Match properties, this one with this one. So this will be the passage from the side, so that green area don't touch the walls to avoid the seepage. Okay, then offset of 4 inches, just like a, what I do, I make a rectangle pattern. Okay, then offset of 4. Okay, this will act as our green area, and now I have to make door. So I will go back to CAD blocks, main, gate. Now main, door, steel door. Some gates, they are going only in the elevations, not giving in the plan. No, so not available, so we can try it by ourselves. So I will make a line here in the mid. So we take it at least 12 feet, 6 feet. So copy it. Delete, curve. Just confirm the size is oh, its size is 10 feet only. So I draw a line here, then offset of 5 feet. Just have to bring this one to here, not here. I will make it again. Take a curve, so our main gate is ready here. So I will copy, paste it here also, because it will be visible from the roof wall, first floor also. Trim, So our overall layout plan is ready. Now we just copy it and I will make it here. Okay, so this one we will use for dimensions. Okay, tool for the working. So we can give our dimensions, which will help in construction. The same way we will give dimension the first floor. जी green tea. Let's give dimension to all the areas. Now we will move to this one. So here what we have to do, we have to give dimensions, sorry, detailing of these inside rooms, like the furniture. We can place furniture layout and everything, and naming the rooms. So first of all, we will name the rooms. So we check its size. It's 3 by 16. I need at least 10, 12. Yes, 12 is enough. So it's a bed room. Okay. First I check the text. Text. anyone. For the text I don't have anything, so I will take P. Okay, then I copy it, this one, this bedroom, bedroom, it's a bedroom, bedroom, living area, so I copy it here, this is the drawing room, porch, terrace, living area, so like this we give the namings. Now we go to toilets, and so copy and I will here, bath, dress. Here we cannot give dress, we can just put only wardrobes, offset of 24 here. So you can see almost our layout plan is ready for the basic works. More detailing is up to you how much you want to do, because my basic function is to purpose is to tell you how to divide the area, how to distribute the area, and in the main image of the my video you can see the picture of the house outside, so it will be approximately 100% same that one. So if you have any question you can ask in the comments. So see you in the next video.